Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to hard reset the JBL Tune 510BT and JBL Tune 500BT headphones. If you want to reset your headphones, then you have two options for that. The first option is to press and hold the power button of your headphones about 10 to 15 seconds. Simply press and hold the power button of your headphones about 10 to 15 seconds. After 10 to 15 seconds, your headphone will be resetted. This is the first thing you can try to reset your headphones. And the second thing you can try, press and hold the volume plus button and the volume minus button together. Simply press and hold the volume plus button and the volume minus button together of your headphones about 10 to 15 seconds. When you press volume plus button and the volume minus button of your headphone about 10 to 15 seconds, then your headphone will be resetted after that. So these are the two options you need to try if you want to reset your headphones. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.